This is the center of mass multi-component assembly interactive calculator, which determines the combined center of mass for up to 8 individual components in a system. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll select your unit system from the drop-down menu, which offers metric using kilograms and millimeters, or imperial using pounds and inches. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. The calculator has 8 component sections. The first 4 require mass, X position, Y position, and Z position. Components 5 through 8 are optional, with fields for mass optional, X position, Y position, and Z position. For our example, I've entered 8 identical components, each with a mass of 10 kilograms positioned at X position 10 millimeters, Y position 10 millimeters, and Z position 10 millimeters. After clicking Calculate Center of Mass, the results show total mass equals 80,000 kilograms, which correctly sums all 8 10-kilogram components. The COM-X coordinate equals 10,000 millimeters, COM-Y coordinate equals 10,000 millimeters, and COM-Z coordinate equals 10,000 millimeters. Since all components share the same position, the center of mass logically remains at that exact location. This calculator streamlines complex multi-component assembly analysis. Find the link in the description below.